So we're out in the wild here, and Peter's decided he's going to tour around in his Snow 75. One of the things you'll notice differently here is the light bar. His wife decided that she wanted to have that installed, so she got up there and put it in place. Works great. They got a good deal on it. So, he's got it out running. He's been running it back and forth here, but just called me, said you should come and see this. So we're out at Halcrow Lake, and off in the distance over here, and I'm going to zoom in. That is a sunk snowmobile. So, but Peter just came through there, and he says he wants to go back through there again and do a bit of a tour. So we're gonna let him just tour around here and have his Snow 75 in action, and hopefully he doesn't sink his machine, because I don't feel like digging out of a Bombardier today. But today is Saturday, March 22nd, something like that, I think it is. So yeah, we're gonna see what Peter's doing here with his Bombardier. Just gonna hop in here with Peter, and we're gonna take a quick tour. So I'm just gonna slide in here. I've actually only been on Halcrow Lake once, and that was a couple years ago. So there's the sunk snowmobile, and poor bastard's got to dig that out yet before it sinks to the bottom. It's not too deep of a lake though, but Peter's going to go down here, and he's going to drop me off, and I'm going to get his machine in action. So he just dropped me off, and he's going to get it up to full speed for everybody, so you can see his Snow 75 in action. So all the way down there already. It's good speed on it. And he's been testing it out here last couple of weeks. He wanted to make sure that there was no further kinks in the system, and but he wants to enjoy it as well. So he's been using it. He's been talking about possibly selling it, so we'll let him decide if he sells it or not. So he's turned around, and he's going to come back. And here she comes. Interesting fact here, Halcrow Lake is the scene of the Northern Manitoba Trappers Festival. Each year they have the dog races out here, and so this part of the lake here is well groomed and packed down. So he's gonna do another drive-by here real quick. Spray of snow there. But Peter lives a couple miles away, so he would have taken this machine straight from home and onto the lake. But he's enjoying his Bombardier. He misses owning one, so it was nice that we could rebuild this one here for him, so he can get out there and get into the action again. He's turning around again down there. know there was some concern there Dad had before we did the first test run with overheating, but I think he got the overheating issues solved. And yeah, he's just enjoying owning the Bombardier, and this is what you own the Bombardier for. So I think he's just going to roll over and come pick me up. Or not. Let's turn around right here. So you can see those rear wheel, that solid rear wheel is actually working really well for him here. We try to put that on the Bombardiers just because of uneven ground. This is nice and clear here, but it's I can see that the tracks are doing well with that. So what did you think? Did it overheat or is it good?
No, it's good.
Good, good, good. Okay, I'll hop back in. You were saying the second run, how fast were you going?
50 some miles an hour.
Wow. So we're in a nice warm cab here, and we even got the escape hatch open, and it's toasty warm in here.
Yep.
So it's beautiful.
I guess this guy could have used the Bombardier yesterday.
Yeah, well,
Probably closing it now.
this poor bugger. Back on dry land again. So what's the plan? You going out to the shop with this, or are you going to back home?
I'm gonna go back on the power line cut over there, but I don't think I can go to the shop because there's too much snow and slush.
Oh yeah.
If I could, I would.
Okay, well if you're going to the shop, bring Schooner because
Yeah, if I do, I'll come in.
yeah.